Starting. So again, thank you for coming to the first Vloggers Conference for Just the Way You Are. Na alam natin, June 17 na po siya in cinemas nationwide, and that's gonna be na next week na po. Okay, ayan. Makakasama po natin ang creators, ang director, at ang ating dalawang lead stars. So before that, I'd like to, siyempre, kailangan nandito sila, di ba? Okay, tawagin natin ang writer ng movie. Please welcome Miss Maan Di Makulangan from Pulme. Miss Maan, please. Nakasama na siya unang press con ngayon. Mas nakasama ulit. Miss Maan, can you greet the vloggers, please, and the TV crew?
Hi, good morning po. Thank you po for coming.
Yeah, oo. Luwag-luwag natin. Ang laki ng venue. Charot. Okay, and of course, siguro sa ilang years ng Star Cinema, lagi natin siya kasama. Lagi siyang kadikit ng mga blockbuster movies ng Star Cinema. The one and only, our creative manager, Miss Carmi Raimundo! Miss Carmi, ayan. Bati ka, Miss Carmi. Alam mo si Miss Carmi, sobrang successful siya. Nagpapa-workshop na siya dito sa ABS. Ayan. Miss Carmi, greet mo naman using the mic.
Magandang umaga po.
Yes.
Di ba? Good morning po.
Thank you, Miss Carmi. And of course, ang author ng book, na alam natin na galing from the pop fiction book, The Bet. Please welcome Miss Kim Villanueva. Hi, Miss Kim. Ayan.
Good morning po.
Ayun. Ayan, malapit na siya, but we have to start. I'd like to call him the lead star of the movie. The female lead, ang bidang babae ng pelikulang ito. Please welcome the very promising and now a certified star, Miss Liza Soberano. Ganito ang gandang gusto niyo. Tingnan niyo, walang make-up. Oh, diba? Pusod lang, tsaka konting pulbo. Bebe, bati ka nga sa kanila.
Hello po, good morning everyone. Thank you for coming here and thank you for showing your love and support. I'm sorry na dyan po.
No, we're good. Ayan, it's gonna be worth it, sabi ko nga sa kanila. And of course, ang ating director. Please welcome Theodore Ted Boborol. Hi, Ted. Please.
Good morning po. Thank you po.
Ayan, so we're waiting for Ken, but definitely he's gonna be here in no time. But bago dumating si Ken, we'd like to show you the update that this is the full trailer of Just the Way You Are. Please watch this. Watch this!
A boy who lives to win.
Alam mo kasi, Drake, you should never play with girls' feelings. Hindi dapat nilalaro ang love.
A girl who has nothing to lose.
Sigurado ka na ba talaga na ayaw mo nang bumalik ng States? Wala naman po akong babalikan today. Wala na kaming bahay, wala na kaming pera, wala na rin si Mommy.
And the bet that will change the rules.
30 days, dude. 30 days to make a girl fall in love with you. Sino? Siya. Before it hits 12 noon, Sophia is mine. What? What are you doing here? Can't you see I'm taking a shower? Don't you know how to knock?
Susi ka ba kasi Drake season na yun, no?
Wala akong oras sa mga kalokohan na yan.
Kalokohan ba ang tawag sa pag-ibig?
Love, Susan, Sugal, they're all the same. In the end, palagi kang talo.
Anguyin mo naman, ano ka ba?
Ikaw madali lang sa'yo magtapon ng mga bagay. Ako hindi.
Hindi ko nagugustuhan na halos hindi ka na umuwi dito sa bahay. May problema ba tayo?
Hi.
Hi. Drake!
May problema ka na naman sa daddy mo, dude. Bakit di mo na sabihin sa mami mo ang problema mo? Para hindi mo sinosolo yan.
It's sad when your heart gets broken. But you know what's more sad? Hindi ka naman masasaktan kung hindi mo mahal yung tao mo.
Star Cinema presents with pride this year's breakout love team. Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano.
Tomboy ka ba?
Hindi mo ba naisip na baka hindi lang talaga kita type?
How do I get you?
Question is, are you man enough to find out?
Love is a game of chances. Are you willing to risk your all to be loved just the way you are?
What are you doing here?
I want to know if it's so bad. I'm gonna be with you 24/7.
Directed by Theodore Boborol, June 17 in cinemas nationwide.
Ano ba naman? Nakakaloka naman. That's the full trailer. Hindi po namin ito na-airin ng press con, but tayo po ang unang nakakita. Aside from it's airing on television. Ayan po ang full trailer ng Just the Way. Nakakaloka. First time nangyari ito. Everyone's here outside just to see Liza. No less than our Chief Finance Officer is here, Miss Bev. Gusto ka makita. And Miss Anna andito in the booking department. Sobra. If this a gauge, we have a blockbuster. Ayan, June 17 na po. Okay! Who would like to shoot the first question? Siguro ang ating butihing profesora here, Mami Jo. Mami Jo, sige na huwag ka ng umarte. Alam ko naman, i-expect mo yan. Charot. But before your question ha, ayan po nakikita natin in time for the movie's theatrical launch this June 17. ABS-CBN has come up with a licensed movie merchandise such as mags, tumblers, and other